He's not coming on a beautiful horse that is like power, force. He's coming on it's like a little animal, something that talks about humility. And this king is going to destroy warriors' bows shall be banished. And so it talks about weapons of that age. It's like this king will destroy all the drones, or he will destroy all the Kalashnikov, he will destroy all the bombs. He's going to give us peace. This is a very humble king that will destroy everything is fire. And also the second reading talks about this king, because it talks about what usually happens in our heart. We have always